I can easily change spatial coordinate systems or lack thereof. I can use a Newtonian kind of geometry, if you will, or a specific spatial coordinate system where objects are substantial, and the very notion of object is linked to the interiority of the physical experience. That's Newtonian. And I can judge existence by establishing a catalog, if you will, of notions, and they're, they're not necessarily predefined. I can just switch spatial coordinate system and go from a Newtonian to like a more topological, more like infantile topological relations, spatial experience. And that's how the novelistic phenomenology deals with that, with the creation of these complex conceptual systems that involve different notions of time and space and the experiences of time and space and the categories of being and existence and everything. So everything that's presented to the mind of the author, and through metafiction there's an authorial insertion into the novel itself, and the novel is a repetition of there's a project inside the novel, and the novel is part of a project, and they all have the same name. It's like a game of Russian or Chinese dolls. I call those prison states. Anyways, that's the gist of it. You can sort of like, it's not like goggles, it's more internal. It's like a switching of gears, phenomenologically, of your fundamental experience of the world, trying on different hats, if you will, of a Foucauldian or a Deleuzian experience, St. Augustine's experience of time and space, Newton or Rabelais, or even Rousseau.